Turmeric and black seeds are two ingredients that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Here are 5 benefits of these ingredients. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric, black seeds, and ginger are the most commonly used Indian spices and some of the most studied ingredients used in natural Ayurvedic medication. 2. Strong antioxidant. Turmeric, ginger, and black seeds are powerful antioxidants individually. When put together, the benefits contained in each of these ingredients are further enhanced to create a powerful antioxidant source. 3. Natural weight loss aid. The combined effect of these ingredients helps slows the rate at which your stomach is emptied, thereby directly controlling the amount of sugar entering your bloodstream. One of the biggest methods of losing weight is by controlling your sugar intake. 4. Natural nootropic. Turmeric itself is a multifaceted anti-inflammatory herb, which contains various anti-inflammatory compounds.